A low-carb, high-fat diet keeps hunger away and moves your body into a fat-burning state. In this video, I'm going to share 5 low-carb, high-fat foods that you can easily add to your daily diet. Hi, I'm Dr. Becky from drbeckyfitness.com. I'm a college instructor of the science of nutrition. Let me start with the avocado. Avocados contain a lot of calories, which can scare people off. For instance, this avocado weighs just over 200 grams, which means that it contains more than 300 calories. But most of those calories come from healthy monounsaturated fats. And those fats, along with the 13 or more grams of fiber in an avocado, satisfy your hunger and they slow down your digestion, which makes it easier for you to consume fewer calories over the course of your day. Now, I will say that you don't need to eat a whole avocado to reap the benefits. Add half of an avocado to a smoothie or put it as a salad topper, and you'll not only get those healthy fats, you'll also get a healthy dose of vitamins and minerals that will support your metabolism and your overall health. Next, let's go to the much maligned egg. You know, as a society, we are still trying to recover from the years that we were taught that eggs are high in cholesterol and therefore bad for us. While it is true that an egg contains a lot of cholesterol, the notion that eating cholesterol is a main cause of heart disease has been disputed. Even the U.S. dietary guidelines that came out in 2015 changed their stance on cholesterol and now say that cholesterol is not considered a nutrient of concern for overconsumption. And another study, which was published in the same year, shows that even people with metabolic issues can eat a high egg diet without consequences. The study shows that people with type 2 diabetes were able to eat 12 eggs a week with no significant change to their total cholesterol, LDL cholesterol, or triglycerides compared to a group that ate just 2 eggs a week. So the takeaway is that you can feel free to have at least an egg a day. When you do, you'll get a whole host of micronutrients, including choline, which will help with brain function, so it combats things like brain fog and memory issues. And an egg a day will also keep hunger away, and that's due to the great mix of proteins and fats that you get from eggs. Of course, they're also very versatile, right? So you can fry them up for breakfast, you can make them into a quiche for dinner, which is something that we often do in our home. And hard-boiled eggs make life on a low-carb diet easy because they travel well. So you can carry a hard-boiled egg with you to work for a quick, high-fat, low-carb afternoon snack. All right, so let's go to walnuts. Now, one of the things I like about walnuts is that they are naturally eaten raw. I recommend all nuts and seeds be eaten raw because when they're roasted, they're typically roasted in an unhealthy vegetable or soybean oil, which wipes out a lot of their benefits. And I'll talk a little bit more about that when I get into the next food. But to stay focused on walnuts, about 10, 12 walnut halves, which is about 28 grams of walnuts, is all you need in your daily diet to get a tremendous dose of omega-3 fatty acids and a unique blend of antioxidants, which are those substances that protect your cells from damage. I will add here that all 3 of these foods I've talked about so far, avocados, eggs, and walnuts, are also a great source of B vitamins. And B vitamins help your body convert foods that you eat into energy, so they help you use calories more efficiently, and that sustains your energy throughout the day. As for how to eat walnuts, well, you can certainly grind them up and put them into recipes, but I find that they make an excellent addition to your salad because the fats in walnuts help you absorb the fat-soluble vitamins from your salad vegetables. And speaking of healthy fats in salad, that moves me into my next food, which is full-fat salad dressing. And I'm including this here because when you go on a diet, it is still one of those taboo items. We think salad and we think low-fat dressing. However, putting a full-fat dressing on your salad is not something you should be afraid of. Like walnuts, the fat in dressing helps your body absorb fat-soluble vitamins and also other micronutrients like carotenoids, which are the antioxidants that we find in bright red vegetables and orange and yellow vegetables. So when you're salad contains healthy fats, your body is able to pull more of the nutrients out of the salad. And I will tell you that if you have never learned how to make a salad that you truly love to eat, then I encourage you to experiment with adding healthy fats to your salad. If you've been following me for a while, you know the one of my 0-1-2-3 strategy stands for one large salad each day. Having a salad a day is a great way to jumpstart your healthy weight loss. But if you hate salad, you're not going to go very far. Add enough healthy fats to your salad and you will never look back. So go grab a copy of my free 0-1-2-3 strategy and then make a salad with avocado, hard-boiled egg, walnuts, and a full-fat dressing. Easy, enjoyable, effective, right? Okay, but there is one caveat I want to mention about full-fat dressing, and that is that your dressing should contain a healthy fat. Read the ingredients label and avoid ones with vegetable oil and soybean oil. These are unstable fats and they break down during processing and they become toxic to your body. And let me save you some time here. It is very hard to find a salad dressing in your grocery store without those oils. I use Primal Kitchen salad dressing. You might be able to find this at your local grocery store. If not, you can find it on my Amazon affiliate shop, and I will leave links in the description area below for you. This is made with avocado oil, which is a more stable oil and therefore a healthier fat. All right, and lastly, MCT oil. This oil has come into vogue with the ketogenic diet, which is a very low-carb diet. The reason it's linked to a ketogenic diet is because of the unique way it's handled by your body. MCT stands for medium chain triglyceride. It's a high quality fat that comes mostly from coconut oil. It's a great fuel for not only your body but also your brain. In your body, MCTs are easily converted to energy, so when you take them in, they're burned for fuel, and very few of them are stored as fat, so you can obviously see why they're oil of interest, right? For those of you that don't know, I have a second YouTube channel that I run with my husband. We recently tested our blood after consuming MCT oil and found that not only does it lower your blood glucose, it also boosts the number of ketones in your blood. So if you're interested in that video, I will leave links here. MCT oil doesn't have a strong flavor, so you can add it to salad or you can stir it into coffee, which is what we did in our experiment. So here you are. Here are 5 foods that you can easily and deliciously work into your daily diet. Of course, there are other choices, and taking in a variety of healthy foods provides your body with a wonderful mix of vitamins and minerals. So if you're looking for a complete diet plan to follow, you can check out the links here on the video and below in the description for my diet plan. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will be back next week with another video to help you reach your goal. Thanks.